Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 23rd of April 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head towards the end of the week here, a real follow-on from Gold Asset of the Day, we have seen that usual profit taking around Thursday's European Central Bank announcement. Gold and silver under pressure. The dollar is starting to pick up momentum here. So we took the opportunity just yesterday to bank a further 250 points on silver, which brings our total for the week as 1,750 points banked across the metals and energies this week. So for every one lot that you would be trading, that's $17,500 of profit. For every 10 lots that you'd be trading, that's $175,000 of profit that we've capitalized on with our members at the Gold and Silver Club. Right now we have 16 positions running. Every single trade is currently in profit and we protected positions. And as you mentioned previously, we've started to build into positions here with the US dollar as well, which has benefited from the usual outflows that you get around the European Central Bank announcement. And as we go into next week, we have end of month rebalancing of portfolios, contract settlement and the FOMC statement as well. As a reminder, going back to the week ahead commodity report and also gold asset of the day, bank on strength. Remember, we always want to be early into our positions. Many traders out there, technical traders and retail traders, they're only now getting their bullish confirmations to go long gold and silver. And it's the usual story here. They're FOMOing in, getting trapped at the top. We've already seen a 200-point sell-off for gold today, and silver has sold off over 65 cents as well. It broke out to $26.65 per ounce on Wednesday, and on Thursday it dropped all the way back down to 26. So we've taken the opportunity to bank on strength. As we mentioned before, don't expect the market to just keep going higher here, and be aware that many traders, they're getting their delayed, outdated technical strategies, giving them the confirmation to go long now, right at the top of the moves. And it's very typical around the European Central Bank announcement to see outflows and the dollar would pick up momentum. Either way, we are protected here. We banked a lot of profits this week. We have some exposure still running, which is protected, and we're starting to build into a position here on the dollar. But just so it's not a shock for you, we may well see further pressure for gold and silver to the downside, especially going into next week as well, where we do have end of month rebalancing of portfolios. So really just want to give you the heads up there. There are many traders who are starting to get very bullish now on the metals, and as usual, they're going to end up FOMOing in, catching the top of the move here rather than being early. And that's the real key to it. When other traders are now getting their delayed confirmation, this is where you want to be banking your profits. And of course, you want to be utilizing a research-driven approach to the markets. Commodities, they don't go up in a straight line. They will zigzag, and you want to capitalize on this ebb and flow of the market, especially as we go into next week as well. This is where you want data and market intelligence, the real facts in the market, not delayed technical analysis strategies which just don't work anymore in today's market conditions. You want to be aware of what the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are doing. It's just as important to know when to bank your profits as it is to know when to get into trades. Many traders really struggle with trade management. Very important to know how to bank profits at the right time, as well as getting into positions and also understand sentiment. Very important to know sentiment as well, so that you're not buying right at the top of the move and you're also not panic selling out right as we are about to get a reversal in the market. We've seen this a lot with traders over the course of this month, especially at the start of April, with many traders panic selling out of gold and silver, only to then see silver and gold break out to 1 month highs, exactly in line with all of our reports and gold and silver asset of the day that we've been discussing with you over the last month. You can go back and watch the reports at the very beginning of April, where we discussed with you it's a great gift and buy opportunity. Gold below 1,700 and silver between $24 to $25 per ounce. We've had over a $2 move higher for silver since then, and gold prices have broken out over 1,000 points or $100 move higher just in the matter of 3 weeks. Alongside that, you want to be aware of the seasonal playbook, the key times of year which are most optimal to get into certain commodities, as well as that understand capital flows, the daily, the weekly, the monthly cycles in the market, macroeconomics. Be aware also of the intermarket correlations, the ratios. And as we said before, it's important that you know what the banks, the hedge funds, the money managers and the institutions are doing and how they're positioning themselves in the market. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.